Want to learn Chinese but feel overwhelmed by characters, tones, and confusing grammar? You're not alone. But what if I told you that mastering just 4 core skills can unlock your path to real fluency? Today, we're breaking down the 4 essential pillars of learning Chinese, not just what they are, but why each one matters, especially the one most beginners ignore. Stick around, this could change how you study forever. Let's start with Pinyin, the romanized writing system that shows you how to pronounce Mandarin sounds. Pinyin isn't Chinese with English letters, it's a precise phonetic tool with tones. Pinyin with tones sounds like
ma, 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 ma,
there are altogether 4 tones plus a neutral tone.
ma,
Mother. First tone stays high, flat, and steady, like singing a high note.
ma,
Hemp or numb. Second tone rising, starts medium and rises to high.
ah,
Horse. Third tone starts low, dips down, then rises up.
ma,
Scold. Fourth tone falling, starts high and sharply drops to low. Why does this matter? 1. Pronunciation. Without Pinyin, you're guessing sounds. With it, you decode any new word. 2. Typing. Type.
你好,
You get.
你好,
3. Dictionaries. Need to look up an unknown character? Pinyin is your fastest route. Next, radicals, the building blocks of Chinese characters. There are 214 traditional radicals, but you only need 50 to start decoding meaning. Can you see the similarities of the following characters?
河,
River,
湖,
lake,
海,
sea. They all have the water radical, which tells they are related to water.
女,
Female. This radical appears in many words, like
姐,
sister,
买,
milk or grandma,
好,
good woman plus child. The radical gives a clue. Why learn radicals? Memory. Instead of memorizing 10 random strokes, you see patterns. Meaning clues. Even if you don't know a word, the radical hints at its category. Dictionary lookup. On paper dictionaries, you find characters by radical plus stroke count. Try this next time you see a new character. Ask, what radical is in it? What might that suggest?
泳,
Swimming, with the water radical on the left and
泳,
the sound component on the right. Now, stroke order, the correct sequence to write each character. It's not just tradition, it's functional. The 8 basic strokes include
横,
horizontal,
竖,
vertical,
撇,
left falling,
捺,
right falling,
点,
dot,
竖,
technique or skill. And there are golden rules. 1. Top before bottom. Top first, then middle, then bottom.
3,
3. 2 left before right. Left falling, then right falling.
人,
People. 3 horizontal before vertical. Horizontal first, then vertical.
10,
10. 4 outside before inside. Left frame first, then right hook, then fill the inside.
月,
Moon. 5 middle before sides. Center anchor. Left dot, then right dot.
小,
Small. Why follow stroke order? Muscle memory. Your hand learns the shape faster. Legibility. Characters look balanced and correct. Tech compatibility. Handwriting apps on your phone expect standard stroke order. If you write it wrong, it won't recognize the character. Can you see the correct and incorrect stroke order for
花,
flower? And now the skill most textbooks underteach: context of usage. You can know every character and tone, but still sound unnatural. Why? Because language lives in context. Context means learning how words actually work together in real life. For example, you
做作业,
do homework, not make. You
开灯,
turn on the light, not open the light.
了,
Isn't just past tense, it signals a change of state.
我吃了
I'm done eating. Here
了
directly follows the verb.
吃
It signals the change of state from in the process of eating to the eating is now complete.
下雨了
It just started raining. Here
了
follows the entire verb phrase.
下雨
To rain. It signals the change of state from it was not raining to it is now raining. Why is context non-negotiable? Natural speech, correct, is not the same as natural. Context teaches you what native speakers actually say. Meaning clarity. Words like
还
can mean still or also. Only context tells you which. Cultural nuance
厉害
can mean awesome or terrifying. Tone and situation decide. How to practice context. 1. Learn phrases, not just words. 2. Use sentence flashcards. 3. Read graded readers. So how do these 4 skills connect? Think of it as a cycle. Pinyin plus radicals help you learn a new character's sound and meaning. Stroke order helps you write it correctly and remember it physically. Context of usage teaches you how and when to use it in real communication. And remember, you don't need to master them in isolation. Learn a new word like
洗
to wash. Check its pinyin and tone. Spot the water radical. Practice its stroke order. Use it in a sentence.
晚餐后洗碗碟
Wash the dishes after dinner. That's integrated learning. If this helped you see Chinese learning in a new light, smash that like button. It really supports the channel. Want to practice these skills with real characters? Comment below which of these you'd like to see next. We'll break them down using all 4 skills in a future video.